Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Camry's rear bumper. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial. Also, keep a small container handy for all the screws and clips you'll be removing. This helps prevent losing any small parts during the process. Next, we'll focus on removing the fasteners. Start by locating and unscrewing the 2 to 3 screws in each rear wheel well that secure the bumper. Then, move to the underside of the bumper and carefully pop out the plastic clips using your trim removal tool. There might also be a few bolts visible near the trunk opening that need to be removed. Now it's time to detach the bumper. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides near the wheel wells. You'll feel it unclip from its mounting points. Be mindful of any electrical connectors for tail lights or parking sensors. Carefully disconnect these. It's often helpful to have a second person support the bumper as it comes completely free. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect the bumper and the vehicle's mounting points for any damage or debris. Cleaning the area can ensure a better fit. When you're ready to put it back on, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Make sure all clips snap securely into place and all screws and bolts are tightened properly for a safe and secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.